Good day everyone. Today is a beautiful day to show you yet another great compressor. It's a Screw compressor. It's oil-free Atlas COPCO Screw Star compressor. It's a box version of compressor or center version compressor. I don't know what they call it these days and how. This is oil-free compressor for you can use for many oil-free purposes, dental purposes, or food production, etc., etc. It's 3.7 kilowatt scroll compressor. Sorry, it's scroll compressor, right? With we have down there we have two galvanized air receivers of volume of 16 liters. That's 32 liters. This is condensate removal treatment. This is scroll element, and this is 3.75 kilowatts electric motor. This is the exit to the air consumption. I will deliver this air hose with it. You can put it there, and then I will leave it there, and you can connect it to the consumer. Right above here, I removed the catch for shooting purposes. I will cover it back later. It's integrated air dryer. What means that it's oil-free, and it's got air dryer and condensate treatment device, and yet here you have another air radiator. So yeah, this is really surprisingly good. This is built for air quality. The compressor is I think it's I think it's up to 10 bars, but no, it's 9.8 bars and 4.3 liters per second. Yeah, and it's made in 2008. So I release the pressure. It's 0.1 bars in the system. I will start now the compressor and see how it builds pressure from 0 to 8.5 bars. That's a condensate treatment device. This machine works very well, believe me, and it's only, I think, about 8,000 hours. This is scroll element temperature, and this is air dryer temperature. The air dryer temperature, when the compressor is working, will drop up to 4 degrees Celsius, which is very good for air quality. It's already 5 bars in these 32 liters air receivers. This compressor is really silent. It's surprisingly silent, really. When you close the door, there is absolutely almost no noise. So you can keep it in your room when you work, actually. That's it. That's 8.5 bars, the compressor shut down. And that thing over there, it's an air dryer, it's working. Let's see the temperature. It's a scroll element. It's 6 degrees, so it will drop for 2 more degrees. So let's release some pressure. let's just be clear. I will provide this air hose. You connect here and below there, so you can connect it to the consumer. So I will release pressure up to 7 bars. The air dryer is reaching its dew point, so five degrees. That's it, 8.5. So it's 5. It's probably will now release to 4, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. Don't miss this great item, and good luck on your bids.